to try to take a picture. I forgot to turn the camera on. Okay. So, man, make sure you don't want to go back. Always. Say that way you're going to flex the rod tip more. Don't do those things I haven't taught you yet. Turn your torso towards the fish. No, without moving the feet. Get it? Then fish gonna come below your feet, get it? You can do this, right? Look here. See? Even I can do it with a... So that way you can... We want fish to be out there feeding, get it? Those are salmon shufflers love to do that, but us, we don't do that. More fish come in, less fish out there. Okay, real is coming in there. That's what you gotta do. That's good. Now right arm slowly go up. As long as the fish doesn't shake. Run. I'm in the run. Come on. There you go. Oh yeah. Feisty guy. There we go. Your arm's too short. Oh, I'm surprised you haven't got those 10, 11 foot rod yet. That's what lots of people do. That's a new thing. You know what I mean? Lots of people buying that 10, 11 foot rod, those stupid rods. So what I'm talking is going to be in my video. Those are stupid rods. People don't buy those long rods. Learn how to cast. Nice job. Hang on. Can you just push the down the, there you go.
Dude, you gotta come out this way.
There you go.
Ooh, this water's cold.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
For you it'd be cold. Looks like another this one. Not a tiny one. Yeah, it is bigger. That's why you got to put the right fly. Right?
Always.
Right fly makes difference. All right, AKS is ready. What is it, another brown? Looks like I took the Iron Blondie again. Yeah. Iron Blondie. Iron Blondie. I got the video going. Okay, easy. Turn the torso, there you go. Pretty feisty, eh? And now really, see, that's why you gotta get better at it, you understand?
Okay, so
Whenever, as soon as it comes in, yes! Nice one. Let's see, where's the weight? Oh, I took the young blood. That's a good one. Okay, hold that. So you know why?
why?
There's a
Darker.
So I know iron blood. See, line is like that. They cannot hook them.
Oh, I need to
See
check
that? See
Yep.
that? See?
Oh wow, that's a
Nice,
fat
nice
fish.
fair one. So hook is right there, right on the top of the mouth. No.
Where's- This is a fat fish.
You can say that again.
Damn, he's a fat fish. That is one fat fish.
Okay, same thing what you did. Put the hand under the net.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Just leave it out. That's good.
There he goes.
No harm done. Look at that.
Oh, that's a fat fish. That's probably the fattest fish I've caught in a long time.
I wish I had a AK-47 on. Could have caught already half dozen. What do you got on there, man? Yeah. That's why I caught the record trout right there. I hooked over there and then went down.
John J.R. John Blondie.
Okay.
John Flood. He took the J.R.
There are a few risers here. I got sink tip, hard to dry fly with a sink tip. I got a decent one, I think. Oh, little guy. Maybe 15, 16. Oh, maybe 17. Yeah, buddy. Very clean fish. All right, buddy. Have a good life. I was expecting about 23, 24 incher, but all right, give it a shot. Okay, now I see one out there. Gonna rise again, baby. Dang it. Come on! Hey! It's whatever when you get the right fly on it. Very healthy. No snagging marks on them. Good, buddy. Oh, yeah. Nice and healthy. Oh, it's a wild one. And somebody snagged it earlier today before I got here. Thank you, fish. Better than yours.
Yeah. Are you on 7X?
No, 6X.
I'm on 5.
I didn't have a time. I didn't have a time to put. Took the Ayong Blondie. I told you, big guys like Ayong Blondie. Oh yeah. Hurry up and come help me there, bud.
Okay, hang on.
Take your time. I got the video going. I might get it myself. I got a big net anyway. Oh yeah. Ha 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 ha. I told you, buddy. Don't fall in now. See, when this weak net, I mean the fly, only one bad thing about this net is hard to control. Yes, got him in.
You got him?
Oh yeah. I told you mine's bigger. See? Ayong Blondie, that's just what I've been telling you.
This is the first one that I've caught, and I fished the Ayong Blondie all day.
Now look at the weight. See the weight? For top fly is Ayong Blondie. Bottom one is Young Special.
Oh, sorry.
Let's take a picture together here in the net. See, it didn't take long. I told you.
It took plenty long.
Oh man, I was watching at the fish, didn't see the indicator went under. Okay, the 20-incher coming back. All right, buddy, turn right. Turn right. Got him. Telling you, Ayong Blondie again. Nice one. Come on, get your butt over here. Oh, there it goes again. That's a. I was just blind fishing too. Still caught the big one. All right, buddy, come to the papa. Keep shaking, buddy. I have to put a double Ayong Blondie. Too easy. I get him in? Ah. Come here, buddy. Yes, sirree. I gotta come right this angle to get the sun behind to get off.
Hang on.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that fatso. I told you already.
Yeah, let me get
Eh,
that. I'm gonna get the hook out first.
put him in my net and then work on it.
I can work on it here.
No, no, then you're gonna hook yourself. Just put him in there. Put him in my net. It's got a lot more room in my net. See, second hook can still catch you.
Still catch him too.
The big ones and deep and big. Oh yeah, that's a really nice one.
So maybe it was pretty good that I landed him as fast as I did.
Wow, that is a really good fish.
That's a good fish, isn't it? And he's a beautiful fish. He's in great shape.
I don't know, your eye's pretty bad.
What do you mean my eyes are pretty
From the distance, I said, it's a pretty good sized fish. I said, 15, 16 inches.
right in the nose? Look at that.
Of course, of course. Did you expect anything less?
Well, no. I mean, you have the right fly. Of course not, right?
I told you go over there because a bunch of weed beds, see it? Right?
Holy shit.
It's too deep? Did you get him?
No, no, he's out. I just...
Okay, come on over here.
Holy shit.
Look at that. Wow, that's almost 20 inches there.
Yeah, it's a big fish.
Look at my net.
It's a good sized fish. It's a really good sized fish.
Colorful one too. Nice couple.
Beautiful.
Okay, kneel down in front of me right there. I'll take a good shot.
Oh my god, that's a good sized fish.
Yeah, it's a definitely 20 inch there.
Okay, you ready? Maybe 21.
Yeah, well, we can measure on the
Ready?
your rod. Oh, yeah, I've been ready. Wow, what a beauty. You ready? Okay, I'm gonna get a portrait mode, background blur.
Give him some, give him a little
Okay, that's good.
yeah,
Don't bend the fish too much right now. That's when the fish fight. It's like if somebody try to break your back.
yeah.
Yeah. People don't get it. They try to bend it, try to get him out of net, and then fish flop out. You don't get the picture. So you gotta calm them down. Let's go. You ready now? Move the head. No, that's the other way. I want to head forward. There you go. Okay, one more shot. This time I get the regular close up, narrow, wide angle. Okay. What a beauty. Shoot. Missed another one. Can't believe this. Finally, missed 4 in there. $22. I think it's a brown. I miss all the big ones. They're catching the little guy. Very healthy brown. Oh yeah, buddy. Very pretty. It's got a spawning color on it. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful brown. Perfect shape. See ya. Man, all these guys are healthy. No snagging marks.